An outdoor art exhibit inspired by the pandemic is springing up around Arvada.
LandMark is the name of our outdoor environmental art exhibit, where we commissioned 14 local and regional artists to install new art in our Arvada parks and trails.
2 local art curators pitched the idea for the LandMark exhibit to the Arvada Arts and Culture Commission.
So Anna and Cappy wanted to bring art to where people were kind of naturally going already, just to get out of the house during the pandemic.
The idea also fits perfectly with the city's cultural master plan.
One of the goals of our cultural master plan is to ensure that every resident is within a 10-minute walk of something artful. So by commissioning 14 artists to install throughout our wide network of parks and trails, we're getting one step closer to achieving that goal.
1, 2, 3, smile! Yay!
The first installations were unveiled at a ribbon-cutting event on Earth Day, April 22nd.
Representatives of the city and other residents joined to celebrate the art. Additional installations are scheduled for the coming months, and the pieces are scheduled to remain in the parks for 3 years.
Out of the 14 artists in the exhibit, 7 live or work in Arvada, and the other 7 are regional. The artists have gone to these parks and are creating original art that is directly inspired by this environment.
Installing the artworks in the parks required lots of collaboration by many city teams.
It's an interesting project because usually you think of parks maintenance as, keeping our parks really beautiful, and they're really collaborating a lot with the artists on figuring out these art installations and how we're going to put them in the park for 3 years.
The sculptures feature a wide range of mediums.
There's things from using huge timbers coming out of the ground. There's things made of cast resin. There's metal pieces, fabric. There's just a huge range of mediums. I think there's a lot of support for the arts here in Arvada. We have a great community who loves our big art resources like the Arvada Center and loves to engage with more community-based projects like art that's going on in Old Town. And we expect the community to really embrace this project too.
To learn more about additional installation dates, the works of art, and their locations, visit landmarkexhibit.org, and there you can also get a QR code to listen to an audio tour with each artist describing their piece.